I first connected with HERDI as a result of my experience with ERDI, which is a sister organization focused on the K-12 market. When they expanded into the community college market, saw a great opportunity to participate with HERDI and immediately had a positive experience. We invest in relatively early stage companies. So they could be pre-revenue or they could have $5 or $10 million in revenue typically when we're investing. Those companies are oftentimes focused on the higher ed market. If you design your marketing and your communication and your value proposition for the 4-year higher ed market, it probably not going to be received well in the community college market, and it's probably not optimized for the community college market. There's really no better way than getting in front of a panel of senior leaders and having them spend a few hours engaged, thinking about how to go to market correctly. And that's a unique opportunity. The networking environment that happens over those few days is incredibly valuable as well. What's most interesting and I think compelling, though, is the fact that especially the leaders on your panel, if you reach out to them, especially in the first week or two after the panel, almost universally I've found that they're responsive and willing to spend more time over the next few weeks. And oftentimes they hand off to other people in their organization to help the company really think through some of the things that have been identified. If you're really engaged in trying to optimize the product and take the feedback and then iterate, I've found that the senior leaders are willing to stay engaged for months, if not years thereafter. Those of us who are focused on the education marketplace are focused on making the world a better place and, of course, making a living doing it. Find that the network that you build through years of interactions with HERDI is incredibly valuable.